my god! My head! I almost lost my head. Wow!
Wrote a little verse about the art of chiropractic, adjustments of the back, got you feeling magic, feeling lit, feeling light, feeling fantastic. Wanna get cracked up? You can have it. Got you feeling good, got you feeling good, got you feeling, got you feeling good, 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 got you spinning like a gyro. Got you feeling good, 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 got you spinning like a gyro.
Face down.
Yep. This is her first ever experience with
Yeah.
the adjustment.
First adjustment, how exciting.
Oh my gosh, so exciting.
Just relax the arms down. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go. Yep, tender there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna traction out, and we're just gonna rotate the head.
Oh wow.
What was that like?
Oh my gosh, feels so like light.
Yeah. Okay. Deep breath in. Exhale all the way. Good.
Oh.
And we're gonna go right through here as well. Go ahead and look straight forward at the or at the wall in front of you. So yep, and rest the chin down. Okay. And deep breath. Exhale all the way. Good. Good. Sorry. Okay, let's lay on this side.
On the side?
So with this one, we're gonna keep that leg straight. And scoop right to the front. Good. And this arm down. Good. And we're just gonna be going along the low back here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's exhale all the way.
Oh wow! Oh my gosh! I didn't know that I have so many cracking bones. Oh my god!
Other
Like
side
that.
for me, yep. That's okay. Through here. And exhale all the way.
Wow! Oh my god!
And we'll lie on your back for me. And when we were going through this test, that tightness you were feeling,
Mm-hmm.
was that right through here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So your right side feels pretty good, but it is just right through here. So we're gonna rotate all the way.
Oh my god! My head! I almost lost my head. Wow! It actually feels good.
Yeah.
Oh wow! Should I get up? now?
Yep, you're all done.
Oh my god! I'm like brand new. Feels good. The next like feels more lighter.
Yeah,
Wow.
just looser.
Magic. Yeah.
How does that area feel up through there?
It actually feels better.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like less tightness.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Better range of motion.
Yeah.
Good.
Lighter. Nice.
How was your
Yeah.
first adjustment?
Oh my gosh, that was amazing.
Yeah.
So many cracking bones.
Well, awesome.
I didn't realize that I had so many cracking bones. Thank you.
Wrote a little verse about the art of chiropractic. Adjustments of the back got you feeling magic, feeling lit, feeling light, feeling fantastic. Wanna get cracked up? You can have it.